Welcome to 2950 Kaempfer Circle, where you will find 3 bedrooms with a split floor plan, 2 baths, and a great backyard with a deck and hot tub. The home has a foyer and formal dining room. The great room has laminate flooring and a vaulted ceiling. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, stove, dishwasher, microwave and refrigerator that remain. The front bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and laminate flooring. The backyard backs to the woods and has a deck with a sunken hot tub. This home is close to Shaw. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has laminate floors, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, and measures 15 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 11. The back door leads to the back porch, deck, and hot tub. The formal dining room is located to the right of the foyer upon entering the front door. It has carpet, measures 10 feet 5 inches by 10 feet 2, and is currently being used as an office. The master bedroom is located off the kitchen, making this a split bedroom floor plan. The kitchen measures 15 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 4, has vinyl flooring, a breakfast bar, stove, dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator that remain. The eat-in area of the kitchen has vinyl floors and measures 9 feet 10 inches by 9 feet 10. The master bedroom is located off the kitchen, has carpet, a ceiling fan, crown molding, a private bath, a walk-in closet, a door that leads to the back porch, and measures 14 feet 10 inches by 12 feet 11. The master bath has vinyl floors, dual sinks, a walk-in closet, and measures 10 feet 8 inches by 4 feet 10. The master walk-in closet measures 8 feet 2 inches by 4 feet 1. The hall to guest rooms is located off the great room. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a closet, and measures 12 feet 8 inches by 12 feet 2.